Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I will be showing you guys how to create your own DIY phone tripod from just a selfie stick and some PVC pipe. This tripod is going to have its own support and you can easily carry it wherever you want it to go. First off, I'm going to start by showing you the two kinds of selfie sticks I found. These two are like really different. One is more expensive and the other one is just like meh, run of the mill selfie stick. So this is the much more expensive one. It comes with a Bluetooth remote, and this other one is just your basic average everyday selfie stick. This more expensive one is really way long, about 1 meter long when you stretch it out, while the cheaper one is just really short. So for this video I'm going to go with the longer one, because if you're going to use a camera tripod you will want it to reach many more heights than just having a standard very short tripod. This is the PVC pipe I'm going to be working with, and as you can see it is very long, so I'll need to cut it. So right now I'm just demonstrating how you're going to fit your selfie stick into the tripod. As you can see, the other one was a little bit very loose, which was not correct, while this one is perfect fit. So for me to make this other more expensive tripod work for this project, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put some foam padding on it. For that little DIY, you're just going to take some foam and some double-sided tape. You can use glue or any other tape, but at the moment when I was filming this video, that is the tape that I could find, so that's exactly what I used. You're going to put as many layers as you can so that it fits the so that the width is the proper width and is the proper length of foam that you need. As you can see right now, it fits properly into my PVC pipe. So for this next part of the video, there's going to be a little much more dirty work, or what I'm trying to show is you're going to put your PVC pipe in the center and then you're going to fill it around with some cement or concrete. Right now I'm just going to put a plastic in the middle so that it's going to be easy to pull out when everything is done. This is where I'll be mixing my cement. Well, I'm going to be using diluted cement for this project, and that's really like one of the cements I just went to the store and I picked out. For this, you're going to do half and half part cement and half part sand. This is my mixture, okay, and I'm going to add some water into it. Before I go on with mixing, as you can see, I'm just going to tell you guys that you should not do what I did. You should mix your things together, because obviously when they were building the house, I was by construction a lot and I saw people do this and I thought that they were just stupid, but I realized that I was the stupid person, because once water touches the cement it hardens up immediately. So you have to mix the sand and the cement beforehand before like bringing it in contact with water. That was a mistake I made. I am telling you guys so that you don't make the same mistake as me. As you can see, the cement on the under was really solid. I had to go in and start adding some cement after the fact. It was like a whole mess and it was a struggle. So I just kept on mixing and trying my best to keep cool in this period. You're going to keep mixing and mixing and mixing. All what you want to do is just like a semi-thick consistency, much more like Greek yogurt, or like yes, much more like Greek yogurt, not drinking yogurt, so that it's thick enough for it to set overnight. This one here in the video is really quite light, so I went ahead and kept adding the sand and adding some cement, because again, like I said, the cement at the bottom was really already too thick for me to work with and it was difficult. Also, I switched a knife because that mortar was not helping me in any way. After I've done all the mixing, you're going to put some cement down in the base, and then you're going to put your PVC pipe in the middle so that it can stand. You're going to set it overnight or for a couple of days like I did, and then you're going to come and you are going to remove it from the case. Also, that gooey thing you're seeing is just foundation my junior brother put in the bowl, and I wasn't ready to just wash it yet because I was filming in the middle of the night, so I just had to make do with what I had at the moment. So it's nothing disgusting, my loves, it's just foundation for makeup. Anyways, so I should probably tell you to straighten your plastic or whatever so that you don't have this issue. An easier way would have for me to just burn everything, like burn the plastic that is remaining, but I did not. I somehow decided to sand it, which did not even work at all. So yep, I am there struggling again because, like I said, I was filming in the middle of the night, and even though yes, my senses are really sharp at night, this particular night everything was just dull. So do not be like me, like have a plan, write it down and use common sense, okay? Like don't fry your brain with too many TV shows or whatever that fried my brain, because I was really not thinking. So this is what we have at the end, and it sort of looks nice, but for me it doesn't align with my fantasy, you know, because it has to be looking aesthetically pleasing. So I'm going to go ahead with some spray paint, and I am going to spray paint it. I have a ton of spray paint, but for this video I'm going to use the black spray paint because I just wanted everything to, you know, really look toned down. But if it was me, I would have spray painted something rose gold or something pink or something pastel, but I just decided to go with the black one. And also I have a craft supply video coming up ahead, so do make sure to subscribe so that I will tell you guys where I get my craft items from and how much they cost. Anywho, this, so just some quick dashes of spray paint and everything changes from like mere construction work to something that looks a little bit much more presentable. Like this looks way better. Okay, so after spray painting the next day, I left it to dry overnight, and this is what we have. As you can see, I am trying to show you guys how to fit the selfie stick I put, and it looks quite good. Right now we have a fully functional tripod, a fully functioning tripod, and it looks really good, you guys, like perfecto. But again, because like I said, it has to align with my fantasy, I went in with some black electrical tape and I just taped that part down so that it looks neat, and also so that it can blend into the tripod base, so that you're not seeing like the white foam and the pink, like everything just looking messy. No, you do not want that. You want to look professional and nice when you pull up your tripod wherever you're going to be filming or what. And that's basically it. So this video really came at the right time because my junior brother broke my tripod. I'm just showing you guys like how the tripod turned out, and I'm also trying to show you guys how I film, even though technically this is not how I film. I'm just showing you guys like how you can use it. And also I know that some ring lights come with the camera thing, but that is not enough. Sometimes you just need like that extra additional camera thing, and I feel like this project was pretty straightforward, pretty simple. So I will do another one concerning how you can make really cheap lights without having to break the bank, because let's face it, nobody has much money like that to be spending once you just start YouTube. So for this video, because you guys have been so good to me and everything, I am going to do a giveaway. I'm going to be giving away a monopod, and I'm going to put the picture here in front of the screen so that you can see what the monopod looks like. The giveaway rules are very quite simple. Subscribe and turn on the bell, leave a comment down below, invite your friends to come and comment and like your comment, and whoever has the highest comment is the winner, and I will send it out to you at the end of the month. So again, for just a really rough preview, this is what our tripod look like, and that's it for this video, guys. As always, I love you. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment, follow me on my socials, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.